Right leg stretch. Left leg stretch. Right leg stretch. Left leg stretch. You should feel the stretch as you push back with each heel. Left leg stretch. Right leg stretch. Left leg stretch. Right leg stretch. Left leg stretch.
Hello, Oma and Opa. This one's just for you. Smile, my Nunu. Smile for the camera. Give on.
Legs apart and go down to one side and push.
Ooh.
Really feel the
Ooh.
stretch. Down to the right. Now
Check
down
out
to the
my fat
left.
legs.
Down to the right. Now down to the left.
Fat legs.
Down to the right.
And your
Now down
muscles.
to the left.
And your muscles.
Down to the right.
Look at my muscles. Who's a pretty boy? Who's a pretty boy? Marco.
Stand on one leg. Hold your knee and pull it into your chest.
He's gonna go and have his bath now.
Left leg up.
You're gonna go and have your bath.
Right leg up. Keep your back
Yes.
straight.
Yes.
Nice and slow.
Why are you chewing your tongue?
Left leg up.
Huh?
Right leg up.
That's a nice one. That's a nice one.
Ooh, relaxing.
Now just smile once. Come on. Smile once. Ooh, big stories. Big stories. Where's a smile? Smile. Hmm?
You're doing great.
You're gonna give me a smile. You're gonna give me a smile. Hmm? Kick those legs. Kick those legs. Yeah? Come on, Chunky. Ooh, lots of stories.
I'm going to adjust some of these exercises to make sure
Leanne
you're being
pinch you.
pushed.
Hmm? Leanne pinch you. Oh no. And Daddy pulled your ear. Daddy pulled your ears. Hmm? And Mommy is naughty. And Mommy naughty. Give me a smile. Smile for Oma and Opa. Come on. Hmm? So okay everybody, goodbye. I'm going to go bath now. Bye.